जिंदगी का सफर है ये कैसा सफर, कोई समझा नहीं, कोई जाना नहीं। जिंदगी का सफर है ये कैसा सफर, कोई समझा नहीं, कोई जाना नहीं। है ये कैसी डगर, चलते हैं सब मगर, कोई समझा नहीं, कोई जाना नहीं। जिंदगी को बहुत प्यार हमने दिया, मौत से भी मोहब्बत निभाएंगे हम। रोते रोते ज़माने में आए मगर, हंसते हंसते ज़माने से जाएंगे हम। जाएंगे पर किधर है किसे ये खबर, कोई समझा नहीं, कोई जाना नहीं। ऐसे जीवन भी हैं जो जिए ही नहीं, जिनको जीने से पहले ही मौत आ गई। फूल ऐसे भी हैं जो खिले ही नहीं, जिनको खिलने से पहले फिजा खा गई।
Congratulations and jubilations. We want the world to know that we love you. Happy anniversary.
Happy
Many happy returns of the day.
happy anniversary to a perfect couple, and wishing you for a perfect day and perfect life ahead.
Happy anniversary, Masi ji and Masa ji. We wish you health and happiness, and we wish to meet you very soon. We all miss you very much. Take care of your health.
Have a
Bye.
nice day. Bye.
Almost half a century ago, I remember my trip to Golagaj during the summers, and all I can recall of your marriage It is beautiful song with Mohit Mausa had sung. I hope all your dreams have come true.
Hello Upma ji, hello Mohit ji. Many happy returns of the day from all of us.
Many happy returns, Pandey ji and Upma ji.
And
All the best.
may you have many more occasions and also give us a party on these occasions. Enjoy. All the best. Bye bye.
See you sometime soon.
Soon.
Bye. Good day.
Dear uncle and auntie, on this occasion, sending you my best wishes, my hugs, and my love. Yeah, when I think about my childhood, it's so tied up with memories of the terrace, of parties on the terrace, of auntie of your chole, which continues to be the gold standard for chole for me. I mean, any chole that I eat, I compare against that. Your generosity in hosting me for 9 months in an already full household. I mean, I just cannot imagine many other people, including myself, doing something like that. And I think I will look to you as an inspiration for that. Your kindness to people, what I see every time I visit you, rare as it has been in the past few years. But anyway, best wishes to you. Hope you can continue to be the life and soul of the communities that you are part of, and hope to see you soon. Bye.
Dear uncle and auntie, here's wishing you a very happy wedding anniversary. You all are amongst one of the most calm, humble and soft-spoken people that I know, and also have given me one of my dearest friends, Ranu. I wish for you to have nothing but the best in life, have a healthy and happy life ahead, and hope you are able to enjoy this joyous and momentous occasion in the best possible manner. Stay healthy, stay happy, stay safe. Happy anniversary again. God bless you.
Hi auntie, hi uncle, congratulations on your wedding anniversary. How I wish I could have been there. Auntie, आपके हाथ के खाना मैं बहुत मिस कर रही हूँ. छोले, भटूरे, दही बड़ा. Well, I look forward to see you guys next year in your golden anniversary. Wishing you togetherness and happiness. Enjoy your day, enjoy your year. I will see you soon.
Happy anniversary, uncle and auntie.
From Miami to Mumbai. A very happy 49th wedding anniversary to Upma ji and Mohit ji.
From all of us.
All of us sitting here collapsed into this sofa.
Okay.
Yeah. Upma ji, Mr. Pandit, ever since I came into Symphony in January 2006, I've slowly inched my way into your family. I now am an honorary member of the Pandey family, and I really remember all the times we had spent together in checking out movies, chat sessions, visits to temples, and last time we'd gone off to Valvan Ram. Yeah, I really loved that place. Thank you so much for all of that. And yes, I've been leaning on you all for a very long time, and how I miss being in Symphony now to be with you all. You got something to say?
Upma Auntie, Pandey Uncle, I've been a grateful recipient of your hospitality and your generosity and your absolutely fabulous food, Auntie. And I'm missing you all very much, and I really hope that we can make it for your 50th anniversary celebrations for sure in India, and we also look forward to seeing you here. We really, really miss you, and I also want to thank you so much for being there for my mom. Thank you.
I second that, Upma ji and Mohit ji. Upma ji, your food and your hospitality, every visit of mine, deep, sincere thanks. And Mohit ji, thank you very much for your friendship. It's been really wonderful sitting and chatting with you and enjoying some of those scotches and bourbons. But we look forward to your 50th wedding anniversary, and we will bring a bottle of red wine to enjoy and break open and enjoy.
You got something to say?
Happy anniversary to both of you. It was a pleasure spending time with you when I was last in India and stealing all your chocolates and sweets with Dipti. I really enjoyed that, so I hope I can see you very soon, and have a great day. Congratulations and celebrations to dear Mosaji and Mosiji.
Happy 49th marriage anniversary, Mosaji and Mosiji. We have so many good memories of visiting Mumbai. You are such a lovely host, always welcoming all our guests, relatives. God bless you, and we look forward to seeing you very soon.
Happy anniversary! We miss you! Bye!
Hello! Wishing you, uncle and auntie, a happy 49th anniversary. May God pour His choicest blessings, abundance, good health, peace, and loads of happiness into your day and into your life. Well, I'm sure you must be missing Rakhi and her presence around you on this special day, and I'm sure she's missing being there. But I hope that all these little surprises keep you smiling all through the day. And it's 365 days for the next landmark and milestone, that's to your 50th. So enjoy this journey that will soon mark half a century, and wishing you a very happy lockdown 49th anniversary. And actually in this environment, besides being happy, wishing you loads of safety too. Take care, have a nice day, lots of love and regards, Diane. Bye.
Hello, uncle and auntie. My name is Vishal. I'm one of Rakhi's friends, and I would like to wish you a very, very amazing, very happy, safe and healthy 49th anniversary.
Happy anniversary, Upma and Mohit. Chitra's association with Upma goes back to mid-50s. for over 60 years of association. In 1971, when we came to know that you were in Bombay, we located you and visited you at Chembur. And since then, our association started, which continues until the date. We are blessed to have your company all the time. We hope that you have a fantastic wedding anniversary with all the joy and happiness together with the family. Over and out.
All the best. Take care.
डियर आंटी एंड अंकल, आपको बहुत बहुत बधाई। मुझे अभी भी याद है जैसे आंटी के किचन में ढेर सारी तुलसी उगती है, उसी तरह आप सबके पास इतनी अच्छाई, इतनी गुडनेस लेकर आते हैं। मेरी दोनों अच्छे फ्रेंड्स राखी, who has by the way thank you invited me for this video, and रानू, जिसके साथ हम लोग मिलकर सभी लोग गए थे अष्टविनायक यात्रा पे। कुछ यात्राएं जीवन में हमेशा याद रहती हैं, क्योंकि आप जैसे सुंदर अच्छे लोग जीवन में सही समय पर मिल जाते हैं। आपको बहुत बहुत बधाई, और ऐसे ही हम सब के लिए आपका आशीर्वाद हमेशा बना रहे।
Hello Uncle Auntie, wishing you a very happy anniversary, wishing you a long life together. May you have many many more years together. God bless both of you. Take care and have a lovely life ahead.
Happy marriage anniversary, Pandey uncle and auntie. May God bless you many more years.
Pandey auntie, I make your gift and fish, flower, castle. Enjoy your day.
Hi Mom, hi Dad. I'd like to wish you a very very happy 49th anniversary, and I'm sorry for the times I may have forgotten to wish you in the past. And I'd like to thank Rakhi for asking me to do this. I think it was a very thoughtful gesture. And she also told me that a lot of her friends and family have actually sent in songs. And I thought after a lifetime spent around music, I should do the same, even though I hardly sing and play anymore. So just remember, it's not me singing the song. This is Dad singing for Mom, this is Mom singing for Dad, and if you're watching this video, it's you singing for your better half. And it's a very old song by Elvis Presley, and I think it talks about, you'll see what it talks about.
Wise men say only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you. Shall I say, would it be a sin if I can't help falling in love with you? Like a river flows, twirling into the sea. Darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be. Take my hand, take my whole life too, for I can't help falling in love with you, for I can't help falling in love with you.
Dear Mom and Dad, wish you a very happy anniversary. Have a lovely day and a wonderful year ahead. I'm very proud to be your daughter and very fortunate to have been brought up to be strong, independent and resilient. We will celebrate in person once this COVID business is behind us. Enjoy your day. Bye.
Wish you a very happy anniversary. Dear Dad and Mom, wish you a very happy 49th anniversary. A day of great significance for you and for me too, because this day led me meeting Ranu eventually. So yeah, enjoy the day, enjoy the 49th years and many more happy years to come. Bye.
Happy anniversary, Mom and Dad. This was just a little gift from us to make it a memorable anniversary.
Hello, तू क्लोज पे जब है आई, येलो, बड़ी सॉलिड मस्ती छाई. Hello, तू मुझे ढूंढ लगाई, येलो, जब बहुत मेरे भाई. तू देख तो आज भी दिल पर थोड़ी ये तीर ज़ाइक जल जावे. कर दे बिन पिए शराबी, चेहरा तेरा गुलाबी, कोई तुमना यमला बन जावे जो इतनी हो बेताबी. हेलो, दिल से कनेक्ट करना, येलो, ये बातें डायरेक्ट करना.
Upma ji and Mohit ji, we just want to present a couple of evergreen hits duets that we want to present to you. Hope you enjoy.
वादा कर ले साजना, वादा कर ले साजना, तेरे बिना मैं न रहूं, मेरे बिना तू न रहे होगे जुदा।
ये वादा रहा,
ना होंगे जुदा,
ये वादा रहा।
वादा कर ले साजना, तेरे बिना मैं न रहूं, मेरे बिना तू न रहे होगे जुदा।
ये वादा रहा, ना होंगे जुदा, ये वादा रहा।
मैं धड़कन तू दिल है पिया, मैं बातें तू मेरा दिया। हम प्यार की जोत जलाए, हम प्यार की जोत जलाए।
मेरा ही मेरी मंजिल है तू, मैं हूँ लहर और साहिल है तू। जीवन भर साथ निभाए, जीवन भर साथ निभाए। वादा कर ले जान जा, तेरे बिना मैं न रहूं, मेरे बिना तू न रहे होके जुदा।
ये वादा रहा,
ना होंगे जुदा, ये वादा रहा। जब से मुझे तेरा प्यार मिला, अपनी तो है बस यही दुआ। हर जन्म यों मिल के रहेंगे, हर जन्म यों मिल के रहेंगे।
सुंदर सा हो अपना जहां, प्यार अपना रहे सदा जवां। हम सुख दुख मिल के सहेंगे, हम सुख दुख मिल के सहेंगे। वादा कर ले साजना, तेरे बिना मैं न रहूं, मेरे बिना तू न रहे होगे जुदा।
ये वादा रहा,
ना होंगे
जुदा, ये वादा रहा। वादा कर ले साजना, तेरे बिना मैं न रहूं, मेरे बिना तू न रहे होके जुदा। ये वादा रहा, ना होंगे जुदा, ये वादा रहा।
आपका,
क्या ख्याल है आपका,
तुम तो मचल गए ओ,
यूं ही फिसल गया
हाल कैसा है जनाब का,
क्या ख्याल है आपका,
तुम तो मचल गए ओ,
यूं ही फिसल गया डिरडिरडी डिरडिरडी डिरडिरडी। बहकी बहकी चले हैं पवन जो उड़े हैं तेरा आंचल,
छोड़ो छोड़ो, देखो देखो गोरे गोरे काले काले बादल,
बहकी बहकी चले हैं पवन जो उड़े हैं तेरा आंचल,
छोड़ो छोड़ो, देखो देखो गोरे गोरे काले काले बादल,
कभी कुछ कहती है कभी कुछ कहती है, जरा नजर को संभालना,
हाल कैसा है जनाब का,
है क्या ख्याल है आपका,
तुम तो मचल गए ओ,
यूं ही फिसल गया पगली पगली कभी तूने सोचा रास्ते में गए मिल क्यों,
पगले पगले, तेरी बातों बातों में धड़कता है दिल,
पगली पगली कभी तूने सोचा रास्ते में गए मिल क्यों,
पगले पगले, तेरी बातों बातों में धड़कता है दिल क्यों,
कभी कुछ कहती है कभी कुछ कहती है, जरा नजर को संभालना,
हाल कैसा है जनाब का,
है क्या ख्याल है आपका,
तुम तो मचल गए ओ,
यूं ही फिसल गया डिरडिरडी डिरडिरडी डिरडिरडी।
कहो जी रोज तेरे संग यूं ही दिल बहलाए क्या,
सुनो जी समझ सको तो खुद समझो बताए क्या,
कहो जी रोज तेरे संग यूं ही दिल बहलाए क्या,
सुनो जी समझ सको तो खुद समझो बताए क्या,
कभी कुछ कहते हैं कभी कुछ कहते हैं, जरा नजर को संभालना,
हाल कैसा है जनाब का,
क्या ख्याल है आपका,
तुम तो मचल गए ओ,
यूं ही फिसल गए
हाल कैसा है जनाब का, क्या ख्याल है आपका, तुम तो मचल गए ओ, यूं ही फिसल गया
हाल कैसा है जनाब का,
डिरडिरडी
क्या ख्याल है आपका,
डिरडिरडी
तुम तो मचल गए यूं ही फिसल गए
डिरडिरडी।
A heartfelt thank you to everyone who dressed up during lockdown and did this video. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. This is something absolutely incredible that's been put together. And thank you from the bottom of my heart.